Today, you will learn to describe pictures of different countries. You will visit Scotland, Greece, and its capital, Athens. Then you will tell me about Spain and Japan. I know you can. Finally, we will fly to India. Look, this is Scotland. There are many green parks and hills in the picture. Look at the man. He is wearing a traditional Scottish skirt, kilt. He is playing the bagpipe, a national musical instrument. I want to visit Scotland and play the bagpipe. This is Greece. Greece is a country where you can see a lot of ancient cities. Athens is the capital of Greece. There is a famous and popular place for tourists. It is Acropolis. Look at the picture. The boy and his parents are in Acropolis. The boy is jumping and the parents are laughing. They are happy to travel to Greece. Now you tell me the story about this picture. Look, what is the name of the country? Well done. This is Spain. What can you see in this country? Spain is a country where you can see corrida. Corrida is bullfighting. What is there in the center of Barcelona? What is the name of the famous church in Barcelona, in Spain? There is Sagrada Familia in the center of Barcelona. Sagrada Familia is a famous church in Spain. It is very high and unusual. Do people in Spain like dancing? What is the name of the Spanish dance? People in Spain like dancing a traditional dance, flamenco. Women and men wear beautiful bright red costumes for this dance. Well done! You are the best pupil. You can speak about Spain. Look at the picture. What can you tell me about Japan? Look. What is the name of the country? Well done. This is Japan. What is the capital of Japan? Tokyo is the capital of Japan. What can you see in the picture? What is the name of this mountain? In the picture, I can see a high mountain. It is Fujiyama, Fuji. Fujiyama is a Japanese volcano. Is there a traditional house with many roofs in the picture? There is a traditional house in the picture. Japanese people live in these houses. Do you want to travel to Japan? I want to travel to Japan. Well done. You can speak about Japan too. Then you will tell me about this picture. This is India. There are a lot of people in this big country. People in India wear long traditional clothes. It is sari, and they speak the Hindi language. Men and women have red spot on the face. In this picture, you can see Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a famous place in India. You will like it. Tell me about this picture. This is... There are a lot of people in India where it is they speak. Men and women have. In this picture, you can see Taj Mahal is. Well done. Name the country. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?